Let's install Genetous Object Storage Service. Copy Docker run code here. Paste Docker run code on terminal and run it. Let's look at the success of the installation process with the docker ps command. Let's configure Nginx. Since we added the authentication service and verify function before, I am not copying the entire content. I will just copy the configuration of the service. Copy Nginx code here. And paste inside the Nginx configuration file. Set proxy pass as the address of your service. Now it's ready to use.